How to fix TikTok DMs not working. So go open your TikTok application, and if your DMs or a direct message is not showing, first thing you can try is to find any user that you can try and send message to. It's literally anyone. It could be the first user that will show on your screen. It doesn't really matter. Now, once you find a user, go to their profile, click on the three dots on the upper right corner. These options will then show, then click on send message icon. Now try to send them any messages. After that, exit their profile and go back to the home page. Click on inbox icon here below. This is where you will see notifications and any interactions you will do on TikTok. Now in this page, click on the DM icon on the upper right corner. In here, you will see your history of DMs with the user we messaged a while ago and the past conversations you had with other people in the past. Now, if this doesn't work, you might need to clear the cache of your app. To do this, go to your Profile tab, click on the three lines here on top, go to Settings and Privacy. Now, under Cache and Cellular, select Free Up Space, and in here, just clear both the cache and downloads. After that, close the app to apply the changes, and your DMs should work now. So that is how to fix TikTok DMs not working. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.